Propaganda. Rap, propaganda. Rap, propaganda. Rap, propaganda.
Vamos. I'm now in a left-hand turn. Vamos. S2 Pembox now providing positive control service. Set score 2422 and Fist 1 recycles 2421. Departure Arrow 1, pass 300 for 190. Arrow 1, Rapid North, about clear, identified. We're passing up to 3000 feet, left turn on navigation in mountain range and maximum flight of 150. Arrow 1, passing 3000, left direct on course up to 15,000. 27 QNH 1019. 19 set. 100. Tiger. Box flight on. First class on. Back north, bullseye 31031, 25,000. 2 contacts hostile. Contact. Fist will be flankers hostile. Pembox. At Fist 2 you clear deltas 1 up to 8, mean sea level up to 660, broadcast control to Angels 10. For the TRA 10, 10 Alpha you cleared 150 and up positive control sense. Fist 2. Inch 8, echelon northeast. Pembox 3 to bullseye 210, 49, 22,000, outlaw, spades, single contact.
210, 49,
contact hostile. 3000, outlaw, spades, single contact. Pembox trail group range 16 opening. Lead group bullseye 302, 24, 25,000, hostile. Single contact, track south. Pembox trail group maneuver, range 18, 27,000, hostile. Single contact.
Pull up. Pull up. Southwest, hostile flanker. Tiger.
And Romeo 4 is now fully active again for new players, so avoid Romeo 4. Pembox 2 groups, range 19, lead group bullseye 291, 21, 28,000, hostile, single contact, track south. Trail group range 19, bullseye 326, 29, 28,000, single contact, hostile.
Group still hot.
Pembox lead group hot again, bullseye 210, 41, 25,000, hostile flanker.
Tiger 1, targeted lead group hostile, bullseye 211, 41, 24,000, Fox.
Pembox, the trail group is now azimuth 11, 23,000, hostile flanker, track north. Trail group range 19, bullseye 318, 24, 28,000, hostile, single contact.
The lead group, bullseye 200, 34, 21,000.
Pembox, lead group lean for Tiger 1.
Target both groups hostile.
0019, 29,000, hostile, single contact. 20,000, hostile flanker. Room at 11, 23,000, hostile flanker, beam east. Group maneuver. Arrow, what is your group? So, Arrow push 3.
Pull up. Too low. Terrain. Too low.
Air beam in, bullseye 22039 and 23 and 27,000, hostile flankers.
1019, clear to enter the range.
Air 1019.
Full up. Too low. Terrain.
I'm going to try and get these LGTRs off while there's still a little bit of daylight. Passing. 5,000, hostile flanker. 30,000. South. 31,000, hostile. Single contact maneuver.
With overcast 1600 feet, visibility is 10 plus, the wind is 070, 1952 feet.
Copy any LGTRs today?
Only one.
South flanker, single contact.
I want to spin, please group.
Gunbox, elite group maneuver, trail group drag. Box elite group, bullseye 294, 16, 23,000, hostile. Single contact, maneuver hold.
Transport you to random for the LCTR.
Top one, but it did not hit, confirm.
31, 38, 28,000. Clear.
Gunbox elite group, bullseye 229, 31, 29,000, hostile, flanker.
Tiger 1, Fox.
Bullseye 224, 41, 22,000, hostile flanker. Box trail group, range 8, opening, drag. 15 and above, 1 big 15 and below. 15 above for me.
Full up. Too low. Terrain.
Maneuver.
Masz bałagan na bani, bo czujesz ten brak, a ja... Chuj, trochę mam,